today I want to tour this minimalistic 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex right here in Sangotedo, not too far from Ajah. This 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex is in the market for 180 million naira, slightly negotiable. The corner piece is selling for 200 million naira, slightly negotiable. So as you can see right here, it has an ample parking space, and for the title, it comes with a CFO. A governor's consent is in the process. It has a registered survey. The building approval is available. So, but you know I'm going to do it. I'm going to flip the camera, show you everything you need to know about this lovely property. But before going into that, if you're new to my channel, take a second to like, subscribe, share this video, drop a comment what you think about this beautiful 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex right here, and click on the bell icon so you should be among the first to be notified whenever I drop a video on my YouTube channel. So without wasting much of your time, let's go check this out, because I'm sure that after watching this video, I'm sure you're going to like what you see. So let's go. Okay, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today we're touring this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex right here in Sangotedo, very close to Ajah. Now, as you can see from over there, you can oversee the Lekki Expressway from your balcony. So it's 4 units, but for the sake of this video, we are doing a video for this one. Okay, so this house is valued for 180 million naira, asking price. It's slightly negotiable. So stepping inside, you have this car park area that can take 2 cars or 3 cars, as the case may be. It's a middle unit. The corner piece is slightly bigger. That one is sold for 200 million asking price, but this one is 180 million. So this one can take 3 cars. Yes, this one can take 3 cars right here. Okay, so before going inside, let me just show you the backyard before entering inside and showing you the interior properly. So once again, before going in, let me show you the car park area from this angle. Okay, so let's go around. Okay, so this is the backyard of this property. I guess this door takes you inside to the kitchen, but I'm not going to take that way. I'm going to take the main entrance. So let's take the main entrance. Sorry for the generator noise. No, I have to show you. Okay, so we are right back where we started. So entering inside, you have this mini staircase that takes you inside the living area. So stepping inside, you have this security door, this wooden security door that has a biometric access control, smart AI face lock. Yeah. So right over here, you have your visitors toilets, and this is your living area. So you have a TV console right over there. You have windows right here. You have 3 windows to give you natural light and cross ventilation, a well ventilated living area. So once you see this living area from this side, you can see that it's quite spacious. It has enough space. So you have this beautiful chandelier right over here. So right here you have your TV console. Okay, so this room is your guest room. So this is your guest room. So the guest room comes with a wardrobe, and all rooms are en suites. So the design on the wall looks like, I don't know if you've been to this place in Lekki, Spacious. Yeah, the design looks like it. So this is your kitchen, and you still have the same design, right? It has a brick wall design, white and black, very beautiful. So right over here, you have a pantry, a mini pantry. So it comes with a microwave, an oven, cabinet space, 5 cylinder, 5 burner head, sorry, and a heat extractor, double volume sink, and your space for your washing machine. So you have this cabinet, and also it comes with a tabletop. You can put your stuff, or you can use it to, yeah, it's looking like it's kitchen island, but this one is quite different. It's close to the wall. Okay, so we've seen the living area, the kitchen, and the guest room. Let's head upstairs to check out the three remaining rooms. So this house has a minimalistic design, very clean. You can see for yourself, clean design. So the staircase comes with a motion sensor light. Once I just climb the step, the light comes on. So it's a beautiful design, very beautiful. So this is your family lounge, very beautiful family lounge. It has this sculptural design on the wall, very beautiful. So you can use it to put an artwork, or you can put, yeah, right over here, you can put your television there. So you have a window right over there with this beautiful POP light. So let's check out these rooms by this side before going inside the master's bed. So this is room one. So right over here, you have your wardrobe. So as usual, all rooms are en suite, and we also have a window right here. So this is your toilet and your bathroom. Still has this brick wall design, and also comes with a water heater. It's giving that restaurant sketches vibe. Okay, so let's check out this room as well. This is room two. It's a 4 bed, one room downstairs, 3 rooms upstairs. So right over there, you have your wardrobe. You have a window by this side. And as usual, all rooms are en suite. So this is your shower area. Comes with a water heater, the VC, and your wash and sink. So let's head over to the master's bed. Let's check out this master's bedroom. Okay, so this is your master's bedroom. This is your master's bed. So you have access to your balcony from the master's bed. So right here you have your wardrobe. So this space is for your wardrobe. Okay, so this is your master's bed bathroom. So master's bed comes with a shower area, suspended WC, and a bathtub. It also comes with this beautiful mirror that has a light. So this is your washer and sink. Okay, so this house is valued for 180 million naira, asking price slightly negotiable. For the title, comes with a CFO, governor's consent is in process. They've paid for it and it's still in process. And it comes with the building approval. The registered survey is also out. So you have no problem if you own this house. No, all the documents are on point. So call the number on your screen and let's make this the next house. Thank you.